Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at the website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So on the 4-hour time frame Aussie dollar, I've been talking about this possibly being a WXY, and maybe we're going to now make three waves down for wave Y, which would go down and take out the low of wave 4. I still think that is a possibility, but the problem I have with this analysis is that monthly, weekly, and daily are all in a downtrend. What does that mean? That means that this move down right here potentially could just be a wave A, this potentially could be a wave B, and this actually could be a wave C. We're at the 61%. If it bounces from one of these fib levels, the 61 or the 78% goes up, breaks structure, then most likely the higher time frame trends are going to continue. If it doesn't turn at a fib level and give it a golfing move to the upside but continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then you would do nothing but look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, your structure level is right here. If price breaks and holds above that structure level, I would definitely start looking for longs. If price does not break and hold above that structure level, then I would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for shorts, especially on maybe even shorter time frames than this at the end of three-wave pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.